Hi, and welcome to a new natural home remedy video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and activate the new video's notifications bell.
The 10 best natural diuretics. Diuretics are primarily used as a treatment for fluid retention in the body, as well as for kidney stones, glaucoma, or hypertension. It is important to note that, apart from the diuretic medications in stores, there are certain foods that naturally boast these same benefits and thus pose less risks of producing side effects. 1. Watermelon. Watermelon, thanks to its high water content, is a natural diuretic, and it also contains lycopenes, antioxidants that strengthen the body to prevent against damage caused by free radicals. Watermelon also have amino acids that help to enlarge the veins so fluids can flow more freely, in turn, which permits fluids retained in the tissues to be carried along as well. It is also detoxifying, alcalizing, and mineralizing, which allows for good intestinal health. 2. Tomato. Tomatoes are made up of 90% water, and they also possess a large quantity of antioxidants, lycopenes, beta-carotene, vitamin C, and selenium, all of which are very useful in preventing free radicals that can damage the blood vessel walls. 3. Cucumber. The cucumber possesses a large quantity of water, and so it is an excellent natural diuretic. It also has silicone and sulfur, elements that help the kidneys eliminate uric acid, which allows for a reduction of fluid retention. 4. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are very effective as a treatment for urinary infections, being also an excellent natural diuretic. It is a powerful antioxidant, which keeps the bladder in excellent, healthy condition. 5. Carrot. The carrot is considered one of the best naturally diuretic vegetables, and is also said to be a great help in detoxifying the body and accelerating the metabolism. All the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it contains make it worthy of these assertions. 6. Eggplant. Its high water content helps to significantly improve circulation, and its many flavonoids make the eggplant an excellent natural diuretic. The best way to obtain its benefits is to cook it and drink its water, and in this way, it will also help you lose weight. 7. Artichoke. Artichokes are primarily known for their capacity to help improve kidney function. They contain flavonoids and caffeic acid that, together with vitamins and minerals, cause a great diuretic effect. 8. Celery. Celery seeds increase urine production and the excretion of uric acid, which helps the body detoxify in a natural way. It is important to remember that celery contains high levels of sodium. 9. Grapes. Grapes have a significant water and potassium content, which make them very potent natural diuretics. Some other advantages are that they contain low levels of sodium, which is ideal for achieving an effective elimination of toxins through the urine. 10. Asparagus. Asparagus contains asparagine, an amino acid that gives this vegetable its great diuretic power, making it a treatment for the aches of arthritis, rheumatism, and water retention that can cause premenstrual syndrome, and it is also very low in calories. Thanks to its high fiber content, it helps to efficiently eliminate toxins from the intestines.
Thank you for watching. Take some time to see our other videos. Leave your comments and questions below, and don't forget to share your results. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now. And don't forget to click on the little bell below to receive notifications of new videos.